Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all go to layer, new, and create null object for control all the scenes. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind the icon. Clickation tool and select all of them layers. Let's link to camera elements and select camera elements. Let's press S, change scale and move it down like this. Okay, so in this time select this tablet layer, link to hand left, select GIF layer, link to tablet layer and select hand left. Okay, let's see, nice, and select new object. Let's move it up, select hand layer, hand left, and go to pen behind, move the anchor point down. Also select hand right, move the anchor point down, and clickation tool, select again null object and move it down. So in this time select hand left, press R, open rotation and chain rotation like this, and let's change this 70 and create new rotation keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard, or let me show other way and click this time icon. Let's write +10 for go to 10 keyframes, click OK and change rotation -20. Go to 10 keyframes again, change 10, again 10 keyframes, change -5, and 10 keyframes, change 2, and last keyframe change 0. So there are more keyframes for bounce animation. Select rotation keyframes, make easies, or click F9. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. Select this hand right and let's move it down like this, and let's go to here and move to right this hand. Let's press P and create new path in keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and move to here like this. Okay, select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, so go to graph editor and select first keyframe, make smooth back to keyframes, and select last keyframe, move to left and move to left layer. Move to left more and like this. And right now let's hold shift, press R, open rotation and create new rotation keyframe, and go to 5 keyframes. Chain rotation like this and go to back. Let's create new path in keyframe and go to last keyframe and move to here. Okay, let's see, and let's move it down like this. Let's see. Okay, so go to next keyframe and chain rotation like this and move to here. Okay, so select rotation keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, so let's first of all go to 10 seconds and press N in keyboard and right mouse, select work area and select these last 6 keyframes. Hold Alt, move to left for more fast animation. And select these all of them keyframes, hold Alt, move to left for more speed animation. Okay, and select these keyframes, let's see timing, and move to left for replace second keyframe. Nice. And go to graph editor, let's zoom in here, select first keyframe, move to left, and last keyframe, move to right. Nice, back to keyframes. Okay, very good. And select this null object. Let's see. Okay, and let's move it down and press S, change scale for hide these parts. After create this animation, I will replace this part with shape layers. In this time, select this GIF layer and move the anchor point down and clickation tool and go to back. Let's press P and create new path in keyframe. Hold shift, press S, open scale, click this icon and create scale keyframe and go to here. Let's move it down and change scale, and go to next keyframe here, and let's change scale 100 and change scale like this and move it up. Select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, so in this time select this passing keyframes for gift and right mouse keyframe interpolation. Change auto bezier to linear. Click OK. Select these last keyframes, move to right, and this middle keyframes, and go to pen tool. Let's create line like this, and inclination tool, change stroke with 0, go to fill and select this color, click OK, and select this shape layer 1. Let's link to hand right. Let's see. Okay, nice. In this time go to here and change 3, and next keyframe change -1 and next 0. Okay, so in this time select this camera layer, press P, and right now let's create new passing keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and move to up. Okay, so select keyframes for camera elements and make it easy. Go to graph editor, select this keyframe, move to the left, and let's keyframe move to the left here. Right now select this card layer, let's enable and press R, change rotation, and press S, change scale. Okay, and let's link to gift layer and move to right. Let's see timing, move to right again. Okay, pretty good. Select these camera elements, hold shift press S and create new scale keyframe. Go to here and let's scale it and move it down. Okay, so select keyframes, make it easy. Select this shopping bag yellow, enable, and shopping bag pink and shadow, and let's one gift tool. Select these 4 layers and move it up. Select shopping bag pink and press P, move to right, and let's go to here, create new passing keyframe, go to back and move it up. Select keyframes, make it easy. Go to last keyframe and go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame keyframes, use page down keyboard 1 to 3. Let's move it up a little bit. Go to 3 keyframes 1 to 3. Select this middle keyframe, copy paste, and select keyframes. Let's see. Go to graph editor. Okay, we have problem with keyframes. Let's fix it. Select all position keyframes, right mouse, keyframe interpolation, change current settings to linear. Click OK. So right now let's do it for filing animation. Select keyframes, go to graph editor and select first keyframe. Let's move to right, and this keyframe move to right for natural filing animation. Okay, that's good. Back to keyframes and go to here, hold shift press R, create rotation keyframe, change rotation -10, and go to next keyframe, change 5, and next keyframe change -2, and next keyframe 0. Make it easy. Okay, pretty good. And in this time select keyframes, let's copy and unsolo this layer. Let's see. And select the shopping bag yellow, move to right, and go to first here and Ctrl V for paste all of them keyframes, press U for C keyframes, and select position keyframes, go to last position keyframe. Again, I want to say don't forget to select all of them keyframes, full position, and move to here. Let's see. Okay, select this yellow layer, move to right. Very good. And select this GIF 2, move to right. And move to right here. Ctrl V for paste keyframes, press P, select position keyframes, go to last position, and move to here. Very good. And let's see timing. Select these shopping layers. Okay, right now let's move to left. Okay, right, and in this time select this card layer and GIF layer, go to edit and split layer or Ctrl Shift D and delete. Okay, very good. And select the shadow layer, move to right, press T, change opacity 0, create opacity keyframe and go to here, change 100%. Let's see. Okay, go to FS Preset, search effect fill, select fill used for shadow and go to eyedropper icon, select this color, go to again color, change to dark for create shadow, click OK. And let's move to up. Let's see. Select keyframes, make these ease, and let's see, move to left. Nice. And let's see full animation scene. Okay, not bad. And select these lines, let's enable. Move to here and move to up. Press R, chain rotation and change scale and link to card layer. Okay, and press T. Go to first second, change opacity 0, create new opacity keyframe, go to 3 keyframes, change like this. Go to 2 keyframes for random line animations. Okay, and last keyframe, go to edit and split, delete. Nice, let's see. Okay, let's change like this. Select keyframes, move to left and copy, paste, delete. Nice, I like it. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.